Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the third chapter of our book, Keyboard. In this chapter, we will learn the keys present on the keyboard and how does they work. Okay, so let's get started. Children, you can see the picture of a keyboard on the right side of the slide. This is a keyboard. Keyboard has many buttons which is called as key. We can type numbers or alphabet from these buttons. These buttons are used to give instructions to the computer also. Children, here are the types of key present on the keyboard. The first one, alphabet keys. As you all know, alphabets mean A to Z. So you can write letters from these keys. Okay. Next comes arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move cursor up and down. Cursors are the blinking lines which tells us where to stop or start writing. Okay. Third is number key, or we can say it numeric keys. There are two set of number keys present on the keyboard, on the right hand side and on the top of alphabet keys. There are symbol keys also, like asterisk, hashtag and percentage. These are the symbol keys. They use to type some specific symbols. There are function keys also, which is used to perform some special functions. They are F1 to F12 present on the topmost line of the keyboard. Now children, here are the set of special keys present on the keyboard, like enter key, shift key, caps lock key, delete key, space bar key, backspace key and control key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Shift key, it is used to type capital letters, and caps lock key is also used to type capital letters. Delete key, we use delete key to delete the text we have written. Space bar key, this key is used to give space between two words, and it is the longest key present on the keyboard. Backspace key, it is used to delete the letter written on the left hand side of the cursor. Control key, we do so many functions with the help of control key. Now children, alphabet key, as I have told you earlier, there are 26 alphabet and we know that it is from A to Z. So alphabet keys are also 26. Cursor, what is cursor? Cursor is a blinking line on the screen from where we can start writing. It tells us that we can start writing or start typing from that place. Okay, writing on a computer by using keyboard, we call it typing. So when we press key and write some words or letters or sentences, it is called as typing. Now children, here in this slide you can see that there are number keys, and there are two types of number keys present on the keyboard. Okay, there are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. They are used to type numbers or other digits also. There are two sets of number key. First one present on the right hand side and the second one present on the second line or above the alphabet keys. Okay. The second set of number keys are used to type numbers only when we switch on the nums lock key, and nums lock key is present on the right hand side and top of the keyboard. Now children, functions key, there are 12 function key and they perform some very useful functions on the keyboard. So children, as you can see on the slide, here are the symbol keys. There are so many symbol keys present on the keyboard, like hashtag, @ dollar, percentage, and asterisk, and bracket open and bracket close. These keys we use for typing special character while we are typing. Okay children, as you can see on this slide, there are 4 types of arrow keys: up, down, left and right. Up key is used to move cursor upward. Down key is used to move the cursor down. Right key is used to move the cursor right hand side, and left key is used to move the cursor on the left hand side. Okay, so these 4 keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. That's all for this chapter today children. Rest of the things we will do in next video, and the exercises too. Thank you.